watching to see how I messed up this stocking stuffer look. Hey ACR fam, welcome back to another video. Happy holidays. In today's video, you all will be watching me make stocking stuffers. This is part 2 from my previous video where I went shopping for all the gifts, and if you haven't seen that video, make sure you click the iCard above and also in the description to watch that first, then come back to this one. This is my first time doing a stocking stuffer, so I was excited to film this. Thought it would be a little more creative to do this year. Just an FYI, everything that is in this video is all budget friendly and affordable. I got everything from Walmart and Target and didn't spend even over $100. I think it was only like around $80 for everything. So I just hope y'all enjoy and you're able to get some nice ideas for this year. Enjoy the video. In this video, I will be making 2 different stocking stuffers. One is just an example and the other one is for my mom. You all will see the second one for her. It was for her birthday and I had brought some things that I thought she would like or that she'll need. And hopefully she likes it and she loves it. I'm sure she will. But yes, here it is. I had brought some body wash. I brought a pair of pants. I brought some candy. And y'all would just be seeing me put it in the stocking. The stocking was pretty big, so that's a good thing I was able to fit everything. I wasn't too sure, but y'all just see, I'm already spoiling the video. Just watch. Yeah, if y'all see that lint, please excuse that. It came from the stocking. That's the only thing I do not like about black. It does pick up a lot of lint and you'll have to keep using the lint roller, but yeah, just excuse that. So yeah, everything that I put in the stockings is just my idea, and you can basically put anything as long as it's not too big. You could put some gum in there, you could put a bunch of candy, you can put like some hygiene products in there. As long as it fits in that stocking, you can basically do whatever you want. Just wild out, put some clothes in there if it's not too much in there, and also anything, just go all out. It's basically like your own freestyle gift, which makes it better. part because I always just leave like little sweet messages because she deserves it, even though I tell her every day how much I appreciate her. But I don't know, it just makes me happy and it warms my heart and makes me emotional because it's like, damn, I have like the best mom in the world, but I love her so much and I know she's gonna be watching this video. So yeah, all love to you, ma. Love you so much, and you my dog. Be my best friend forever. Now I know y'all peep how I spelled bless wrong. I'm trying to fix it. I'm like, damn, why did I mess up on it? But Lord Jesus, why did I do that? Why did I do that? But I tried to fix it the best way I could. Alright, ACI fam, this concludes the end of this video. This was a J Nice saying quick and easy gift prep. It didn't take much time at all. I think it only took me about 30 minutes to do both of them, which I'm pretty proud of myself since it was my first time. I didn't know how long it was going to take me, which would have been okay if it took me a little longer, you know. Practice makes perfect, but it actually came out nice, and I feel it's much easier to do it than wrapping Christmas gifts or doing like a little basket like I did last year for Mother's Day. Yeah, this is quick and easy like I just said. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below if I gave you some good ideas or if you decide to do a stocking stuffer. And also, if you are new and you got over to this video, please hit that subscribe button and comment down below ACR so I know you are new to the family. If you are interested in seeing other Vlogmas videos that I do, that will be in the archives and in the description down below, as well as my playlist with other type of content. And if you enjoy it, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my last Vlogmas video, which will be posted on Christmas Eve. Bittersweet. Like, wow, Vlogmas is going by pretty fast. It's almost over with, but love y'all. Bye.